Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to hide Facebook Marketplace posts from friends. If you want to hide your Facebook Marketplace posts from your friends, here's how to do it. When creating a listing, you can turn on the hide from our friends options right away. But if the listing is already posted, simply go to your marketplace, tap your profile icon beside the search bar, select your listings, find the one you want to hide, tap the three dots on the right, and choose Edit Listing. Scroll down until you see Hide from Friends, then enable it. Once you do, your listing will become private and won't be visible to your Facebook friends. Just note that if the post was shared in any groups, it will be removed from there as well to ensure it stays hidden. And that's how you can easily keep your marketplace listings private from your friends. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.